Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a loop, scrolling your phone, pushing off tasks until tomorrow, and feeling constantly burned out? A month ago, that was exactly me. So, I decided to run a massive experiment. I completely overhauled my routine and adopted 10 ancient and modern Japanese habits for 30 straight days. Japan is famous for its incredible longevity, unmatched productivity, and deeply mindful culture. I wanted to see if their daily rituals could fix my messy, chaotic life. Spoiler alert, the results blew my mind. By the end of this video, here is exactly what you'll learn. The number one Japanese habit that eliminates procrastination for good. How Wabi-Sabi can reduce stress and anxiety instantly. The Kaizen method for building habits that actually stick. Why Japanese people live longer, and how to apply it to your life. Simple daily rituals that rewire your mindset for success. Let's dive into day one. Let's talk about why Japanese people live longer. Okinawa, Japan is a blue zone, meaning it has some of the highest concentrations of centenarians, people over 100 in the world. Their secret? It starts with Ikigai, or your reason for waking up in the morning. For the first week, I spent 10 minutes every morning writing down my Ikigai. Instead of waking up dreading my inbox, I focused on the why behind my work. The second longevity habit physically changed how I felt. Hara Hachi Bu. It means eat until you are 80% full. We're so used to stuffing our faces until we need a nap. By stopping at 80%, my afternoon brain fog completely disappeared, and my energy levels skyrocketed. Now let's talk about the Kaizen method for building habits that actually stick. Kaizen translates to continuous improvement. Instead of trying to change your entire life overnight, which always fails, Kaizen is about making 1% improvements daily. I used Kaizen to trigger the number one Japanese habit that eliminates procrastination for good, the 1-minute principle. Here's how it works. If you are dreading a task, commit to doing it for exactly 1 minute at the exact same time every day. Dread working out? Just put on your shoes and stretch for 1 minute. Dread writing an email? Type 1 sentence. Once I started the timer, I almost always kept going. It destroys the friction of starting. Around day 15, work got insanely stressful. That's when I leaned hard into Wabi-Sabi. Here is how Wabi-Sabi can reduce stress and anxiety instantly. It is the radical acceptance of imperfection. In Western culture, we obsess over perfection. Perfect videos, perfect bodies, perfect lives. Wabi-Sabi taught me to find beauty in the flawed and unfinished. When I stopped stressing over a project being perfect and just focused on getting it done, the anxiety melted away. I combined this with Shinrin Yoku, or forest bathing. No phones, no podcasts, just 20 minutes walking through the trees near my house. It's scientifically proven to lower cortisol, and it was the best mental reset button I've ever hit. To round out the 30 days, I stacked 4 simple daily rituals that rewound my mindset for success. First, Radio Taiso, a short 3-minute morning stretching routine broadcasted across Japan. It woke up my body faster than a double espresso. Second, Usuji, the art of deep cleaning, but I applied this digitally. Every Friday, I cleared my desktop, closed my browser tabs, and zeroed out my inbox. A clear workspace equals a clear mind. Third, Shisa Kanko, or pointing and calling. Japanese train conductors do this to prevent errors. You physically point at something and call out its status. Stove is off. Keys are in my bag. I felt silly at first, But I didn't lose my keys or forget a single appointment for a whole month. Finally, kintsugi, the art of repairing broken pottery with gold. When I failed a habit or had a bad day, instead of beating myself up, I treated it like kintsugi. The failure made the journey stronger and more valuable. After 30 days, I can honestly say, I am not the same person I was when I started. The procrastination is gone, my stress is manageable, and my energy is locked in. If you're going to try just one of these, start with the 1-minute principle today. Pick one task you've been putting off, set a timer for 60 seconds, and just start. If you got value out of this video, hit that subscribe button and smash the like button so the algorithm knows you want to level up. Drop a comment below telling me which of these 10 habits you are going to try first. Keep improving that 1% every single day. See you in the next video.